Hey, what's up guys, it's Smets. So I wanted to do an unboxing video of something racing related that I just picked up off of eBay. I'm super excited for it. Let's check it out. Alright, in front of me we have my most recent eBay purchase. I'm super excited about it. Wanted to show you guys exactly what it was first before posting on social media or anything like that. So without ado, I will go ahead and remove the cover to reveal this racing surprise. All right, in 3, 2, what? Wait, hold on. Actually, let's just do the whole click of a button. The click. Wow, I can't talk. Let's do a snap of the finger trick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3. There we go. All right. Wait, hold on a second. This isn't what I bought off of eBay. I mean, this is cool. It's got carbon fiber and all kinds of cool stuff. American flag, but this isn't what I bought off of eBay. Hold on a second. Let me try this again. 1, 2, 3. All right, sweet. There it is. That worked. All right, guys. So I saw this on eBay, no reserve listing, and I started bidding on it. I know these things. This Losi 8 Nitro, they're $400 or $500 brand new. Says that there are some extras, charger and stuff like that. So I bid on it, and that was the winning bid. I paid $217 for this thing. So I don't know if there's a real car inside or if it's just a gimmick. So I think we should open it up and check it out. Seller used a lot of tape. This is great, I guess. Might want to save the box because I don't know exactly what I'm going to find in here. So I'm trying to be easy with the box, to be honest. Because depending on what this is, if it's not a real Losi, I might be sending this thing back. Man, I used a lot of tape on this thing. Wow. I mean, that's good. Also might be bad because maybe they wanted to keep somebody out. Okay. All right. Well, let's open this guy up. See what we have. I'm just as excited as you guys are. All right, reposition the camera for you guys so you can see what it is first, because I'll be taking the box off towards me. Drum roll, please. All right, $217. I hope this is what I think it is. Okay, box is coming off. I can't see anything. You guys, what is it? Oh no. Oh. Okay, well, hold on a second. I think we have good news here. Can you guys see that? Those are tires, I think. Not sure what that is. I think those are tires too. Okay, that's a charger. Set that off to the side over here too. Alright, I'm curious to see what actually this thing is. Is it actually the Losi? Yep, it is. Wow. Crazy. It actually is Losi. Wow. Okay. Okay, I need to get my handy dandy cutter knife for this. I don't want to be too rough. No kidding. I was not expecting this. It was just a regular seller off of eBay. I mean, it's not... The guy had a couple reviews. I thought it was potentially a scam, but I think it's pretty protected. And yeah, look at it. Wow, this thing looks new. Are you kidding me? Check this out. I almost definitely thought this was a scam. One of the reasons why I recorded this. Wow, this thing is brand new. Okay, we gotta get this tape off of here. Nice packaging. Okay, we got a remote, I suppose. Okay, let's put this away. I don't need that anymore. Wow. There it is. $217. And there's a bunch of extras we're going to get into too. Alright, let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. Okay, decently heavy. We got the owner's manual there. Boom! Well, there it is, guys. My $217 Losi 8. I am super excited about this. Let's go ahead and take the body off. Inspect some stuff. Okay. Oh, it all looks really nice. It looks good. I mean, I see a little bit of grass, so it's been driven, so that's good. Hopefully, I mean, this thing looks so new. Hopefully, they did a braking procedure with this. I know Nitro stuff is kind of finicky. But man, look at that. This thing is gorgeous. Got a body on there. Yeah, that's a good looking rig. I'm super, super excited for this. Let's put this off to the side and see what we had. And these guys, and just so you guys know, I wear a lot of tan and green shirts. So you see me wearing multiple shirts, tan or something like that. I have multiple. I'm not wearing the same shirt or anything. Okay, cool. So we got some black wheels on there. A little bit smaller. I'm sure this is more like a off-roady type. Open this up. Okay. So we got a set of Proline wheels, tires. Okay, this must be the glow plug. Sweet. Okay, got the glow plug starter charger too. All right. Let's see if got a remote. Probably just the factory one, but it'd be cool for something cool. Okay. So came with a Vanquish remote. That's interesting. And then we have a charger. Okay, that charger must be for the car. More to come on that. Alright. Well, this is what you guys get. Let's rearrange here. For $217 off of eBay. No reserve auction. I am definitely excited about that. Man. Okay, cool. It's been a long time since I've had some Nitro stuff, so I'm going to enjoy getting back into this and kind of tuning it and stuff like that. I'm going to reach out to the seller and see if I can find out if it's been broken in. I mean, the body is brand new. There is a little bit of grass in there, so I'm sure it's been ran. Looking underneath the body, there's no scratches or anything like that, so I bet you it only has a couple test runs on it. I am assuming that most people have given up on Nitro stuff, so I'm assuming that the guy bought it, couldn't figure out how to tune it, got frustrated, and decided to see if he could get lucky and do a no reserve auction, which I think it played out in my benefit. So that's the rig, guys. I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. I am going to work on getting some fuel and some stuff together to get this guy running. We'll do a future video in the future, obviously, and do some runs on